Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the associative array section. This is associative arrays. Associative arrays are collections of key value pairs. The key in an associative array must be either a string or an integer. The values held can be any type. We use the equals greater than operator to associate a key with its value. And here we have a visual demonstration of how that looks. Key, value. We can think of keys as pointing to their values since the key points the computer to the space in memory where the value is stored. Here we have my array is assigned this associative array that has these key values. Key panda, value very cute. Key lizard, value cute. Key cockroach, value not very cute. In the code above, we created an associative array using short array syntax. My array has 3 key value pairs. The key panda points to the value very cute. The key lizard points to the value cute. The key cockroach points to the value not very cute. We can also build associative arrays using the PHP array function. Here we have variable about me, and we're creating this associative array with key full name, value I'll never tell, key social, value 1 through 9. In the code above, we created an associative array about me with 2 key value pairs. The key full name points to the value I'll never tell, the key social points to the value 1 through 9. Let's make some arrays. Use the array function to create an array, PHP array, which has the following key value pairs. Key language should point to the value PHP. The key creator should point to the value Rasmus Lerdorf. Key year created should point to 1995. Key file name extension should point to the value .php, .html, and all these other extensions. An ordered array. Let's do that now. And it will look similar to the examples they give us here. So string around quotes, equal, greater than, and then value. So let's do that now. Let's run that. Missing the S. We do pass. 2 says use a short array syntax to create an array, PHP short, which has the same key value pairs. Let's do that now. Let's look at a hint just to make sure. So we are able to just copy and paste. Let's run that. Forgot our semicolon. Run it. It looks like we're missing a closing square bracket. Here we go. Run it. So we see the error here was we weren't closing this square bracket. I was missing it, so we were only closing this array, and we're forgetting to close the main array. So the important thing that we're learning here is associative arrays are basically just collections of key value pairs. We're able to create associative arrays using the array function keyword as well as the short syntax. And we use the equal greater than operator to associate a key with its value. And we separate each of those with a comma, and that's what gives us our associative array. If you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.